Welcome back, guys. Welcome back.
Welcome
Back to my guys over the Corona season. Alright now. So, run the pun. Long time I no soon, you know. I don't know. All online class I no soon upon, but face to face now. So I'm asking you some question now. Cause I'm asking you the first question now. So Mr. Cheese, that you first may go ask the question. What is the capital of Jamaica?
Sir, hold on. Capital of Jamaica, sir. Where my love go? Sir, in the back road.
Oh shit! Better. Come out of my class. I'm going to my principal office. Me I come down there. Alright now. The second question now me I go ask. This person now. So Mr. Nabil, how you spell machine? M-A-C-H-E-E.
That wrong.
So you can't tell me to say that wrong, cause you tell me say oh I spell it, so me I spell it oh I spell it. Remember you know they don't turn out of my class. Alright. Third question now. Mr. Fishback, your question now. Look at this picture and identify this person.
IG lava. The guava.
Come out of my class. Left your place. Bright and think about coming a bad man class with himself. Alright now. You know Mr. Afraid of Water. Me I go ask you a question. What is the best TV show on the internet right now? Sir Blues! XXX aka Pornhub. You know what? Yo. So when you come back, I will ask you a question. I'm going for my lunch and come back. And I want silence in the class. Okay.
Yo, dog, you know no tune, dog. But when I redeem them, dog. No, brother, that's right, see it, oh shit! When you redeem them, see it now. Teacher gone, girl, suffer ready with him, girl, them to me fly like pigeon and get a girl. No, that is no long talking, cologne stick. 14, the dark share, and 2 plus 2 that equal 4, and 10 plus 4 that equal 24.
Hey boy, everybody on my table. Come off on my table. Here's what you're doing now. But watch man. Detention. Come out of my class.
Girl lost a fear, what am I gonna stop? Girl lost a fear, what am I gonna stop? Oh my god, it's Michael, can I get a pic? Girl lost a fear, can I get a pic?
Girl lost a fear, when I go to
Oh shit! Girl lost a fear, way. Go back to your gate. Thanks for watching, guys. We make the end of the video. Want to know what?
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. You see me out here, no fear.